Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Feeling frustrated because your PlayStation 5 disk drive isn't reading games? It's a common issue, but don't worry, many problems have surprisingly simple fixes. Sometimes, it's just a minor glitch or something easily overlooked. We'll walk through the most effective steps to get your console working smoothly again so you can dive back into your favorite games. Let's get started. First, let's tackle the basics: software and power. Make sure your PS5 system software is fully updated. Sometimes an old version can cause odd glitches. Also, a quick power cycle works wonders. Turn off your console completely, unplug it from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. This simple reset clears many minor software hiccups and can often fix the issue right away. Next, let's do a quick physical check. Look closely at the disk slot itself. Sometimes, small debris like a piece of paper or even a tiny toy can block the drive. If you see anything, try to remove it carefully with tweezers. You can also gently use a can of compressed air to clear out dust. Remember to never force a disk in and avoid pushing anything else into the slot. This helps prevent further damage. If the simpler steps haven't worked, it's time for a more advanced fix: safe mode. Rebuilding the database through safe mode can surprisingly fix many disk reading issues without deleting your games or saves. To do this, turn off your PS5, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Once in safe mode, select Rebuild Database. This process helps reindex all your console's files, often resolving the problem. If you've tried all these steps and your PS5 disk drive is still giving you trouble, it might indicate a more significant hardware issue. At this point, it's best to check your console's warranty status. If it's still covered, reaching out to PlayStation support is your best bet for repair or replacement. Otherwise, seek out a reputable, certified repair shop. Trying to open the console yourself could void your warranty and cause more damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.